if your product in men's clothing, and now you can run the Facebook ads for your clothing brands. So this video only for you. I can definitely show you how to run a sales campaign for your clothing brands of men's clothing brand products on the Facebook ads platforms. So let's start that. So first of all, I just click the create option. There are the many option here: the awareness, traffic, engagement, link, app promotion, and sales. So I can sell my product in online and use to Facebook ads platform, so I can definitely use the sales option. Now click the continue option, and the next watch is, first of all, I just write my campaign name here. So I just write my campaign name, tier 5, okay, tier 3 men's clothing. That is my campaign name here. I just write my today date, okay, and now I can select the 5 number. Okay, so that is my campaign name here, and I don't use any kind of catalog ad there, so I just untick these options. And my daily budget is the $15 per day, and I can use the bid strategy. There is 4 bid strategy here: the bid cam, the ROS goal, cost per result goal, and the highest volume or value. So I can definitely use the highest volume or value because my budget is too much low, so I can use it. And there is, my product is not a very special categories product, so I don't use it then in this category. And click the next option, and my the right my ad set name here. So I just use the ad set name, the interest based audience. I can use the interest based audience. And now I can click the my purchase goal here, okay, and that is my date is same. And I can use my location. So my location is the Bangladesh, overall Bangladesh. My campaign is run there, that is the location. And my minimum the age group is 18, and I don't use any kind of custom audience here, so I don't use the custom audience, and my language is all. And now I can use the interest based targeting. So my minimum age group is 18 and my maximum age group is 45. So I just select my age group here, and my gender is also the man, and my product is this liked product. And I can use the interest based audience. So look at that, that is my audience segment. I can use the basic interest for the clothing brand, so for the man clothing brand. So first of all, I just select the clothing apparels, and now I can select the denim because there is the denim product here. So I can use the denim, and that is the denim shops, okay, that is my second. And now I can use the fashion brand interest people, so I can use the fashion, that is the fashion accessories. I can use it. Now I can use the hip hop brand, hip hop fashion, actually the hip hop fashion interested people, so I can use the hip hop, and like that is I can use it. And now I can use the jacket apparels interest people, so I can use the jacket, okay, that is the selected. And now I can use the jeans because that is the jeans product, so I can use the jeans, okay. Now I can use the party dress also. So that is the simple and basic targeting for the any kind of clothing brands. I use the multiple ad set and multiple ad also. So now you can just see my full video. You can definitely understand how I can run the a full campaign setup for the clothing brands. So now I can use the shirt apparels, so I can use the shirt, okay. I also use the Facebook suggest me many kind of interested people, many kind of interested audience here, the t-shirt, also the polo t-shirts, so I can use it. And the dress shirt, the etc. And now I can use the dress here, I can use it, okay. So I can use the dress here. And now I can select my placement here. Look at that, but there is all placement, the tick mark. I don't use the all placement, I just simply use the Facebook. So I untick the all the option here. The first of all the Instagram, and the second is messenger, the third one is audience network, and the fourth one is the threads. I don't use any kind of placement, I just simply use the Facebook. Also I select my manual placement here. I don't use the Facebook marketplace placement, I don't use the Facebook notification placement. Also I don't use the search term here, so I don't use it. So look at that, my audience segment is almost done. I can use the website process. So my performance goal is maximum number of conversion. My data set is here, this is my pixel, active pixel, and that is my purchase goal by purchase event, the purchase event. Now look at that, that is my location. My location is all over the Bangladesh. My minimum age group is 18, my maximum age group in 45, and that is the simple targeting for the clothing, any kind of clothing brand, and that is very important things. And now I can use the placement, and then I can use the next option here. First of all, I write my ad set, ad name. I use the video ad one by one video ad. Okay, I use the creatives ad, the manual upload, and that is a single image or video. So first of all, I just select my landing page here. So I just select my landing page. Okay, I select the landing page and I set the UTM parameter here. So that is my UTM parameter, always is set. The my campaign source is Facebook ads, my campaign media is paid, that is the campaign name, and that is the creative name. Okay, so I just click the apply option, and now I can also use the same link about my display networks, but display net link, and final was is I can use the video. I also the side link is almost same. Side link is a very important thing for many kind of the carousel ads type ads. So now I can use the first my video here, that is my first video I use. Okay, and now I can write my my primary text, headline or description for this my ad. So I use this kind of ads here, and now I can just simply put down here. And now I can use the 6 pocket cargo pack denim cargo pant is the my headline options. I can use the headline option. Now I can use the description also. So now I can use the description here. Okay, my all primary text, headline and description is almost done, and I can use the shop now button here. So that is the shop now button, and click the next option. Okay, my all is done. Now I can so my all things is almost done, and just look at the preview option. That is my video preview. That is a Facebook feed, audience look like that. That is a Facebook feed, mobile feed also. So look at that, that is my preview option, and all feed is creatives very much done. And now I can use the save option. So my first video ad is almost done. Now I can duplicate it and just change the video, duplicate it, and now I can change the name here. Okay, look at that, the change here. My second video I can upload it. So first video I can just delete, and go to the video section, select the next, and that is my another video, I can use it. Okay, just continue and skip, click the next option. My primary text, headline and description, also the button is almost same, so I don't use any kind of editing option here. So let's go to the done option. So my first my first ad set and the ad set label there here, that is the interest based audience, and my two ads is here. Now I can duplicate it and my change their audience segment. So that is my second option, and I can use the different audience like here. So I can use the university going student here. So that is the denim pant. So this type of this type of denim pant maximum use the university going people. So I can use the university going student or people. So just click the option, and just untick the option, and my maximum the age group here, I don't use the 45, I just use the 35, the click option, 35 age group people. So I can use it. Now I can definitely use the university going people. So look at that, that is my audience segment. I can just copy and paste here. So first of all, I just use this video, this audience segment, I can use it. Okay, that is my first university going interest people school. That is the second school, that is the North South University, I can use it. That is the University of Art Bangladesh, I can use it. And now I can use it definitely the interested people, International Dhaka. Now I can use the Dhaka University. So that is the all kind of university in Bangladesh, I can select it part by part. and that is my ideal customer also, because that my product is very trendy for and very fashionable for the student going people, so that's why I can target it. So now my targeting is almost done. I can use simply the age group here, the 18 to for maximum the for 35, and my basic targeting is almost done. Now I can create the another ad set here. So I can use the simply three targeting here, the online shopper people. So I just remove the name and I use that three ad set. The ad set name is shopper. Okay, so I can select the all option, that I can click it, and now remove the on option, and now I can use the shopper. There is the shopper. I can use the engage shopper also, engage shopper, online shopper, and the shopping. Okay, there are three ad set is almost done. So my campaign setup is almost done. I can review it. First of all, I can create a campaign here. My campaign name is almost done, and my overall campaign budget daily the $15, and my first ad set is interest based audience. Interest based audience means that is my clothing brand. So my clothing brand interest people, I can simply target it, and the one ad set under is to add my two different creatives, and the second ad set is the university student, many university student people, university student I can target it, and that is my targeting here. And now I can finally I can use the another targeting, the online shopper, because they are engaged shopper, the online shopper, and finally is the shopper. So there are the three different type of audience segment I can target it, and now I can just publish it. My campaign is almost done. So there is a total strategy how can you create your own clothing brand campaigns for in the Facebook ads platform. So I hope you can understand properly. If there any question or any discussion, you can just knock me on my WhatsApp and Messenger. So it's for today guys. I hope you can understand properly. So thank you.